us at Škoda, the Superb has always been a unique combination of space and beautiful design. So developing a worthy successor has been a bit of a challenge. We'll be launching the new generation this autumn. And for those of you looking forward to it, here's a little taster. Now the car is currently covered in camouflage for secrecy, but I've been given permission to give you some highlights. The Superb is our design flagship. The 4th generation will grab you with a streamlined design, bold and sculptural forms, crisp lines, and crystalline lighting. The new car is even roomier than you're used to with the Superb. It's longer and it's taller, giving you and your crew a lot more headroom, and that makes a big difference. And the boot is also bigger. Do you remember this? The first modern Simply Clever solution was an umbrella. It was in 2001 for the 1st generation Superb. The new car has up to 28 Simply Clever solutions, making your life easier. The interior. Now I can't show it to you just yet, but there's a lot to be excited about. First off, an entirely new design with a large 12.9-inch central display. The gear shift lever is now located on the steering column. A plug-in hybrid version, IV, has an increased pure electric range of over 100 kilometers thanks to a larger battery. A mild hybrid version with a 1.5 ETSI engine will also be available. And for fans of a more dynamic drive, the powerful TDI and TSI engines will also be available, and all-wheel drive. Now I'm sure that you're aware that at Škoda we love cycling. So in addition to the modern safety assists, the new Superb also has predictive cyclist protection feature. The new Superb arrives this autumn, both the Combi and the limousine version. And let me tell you, you have a lot to be excited about.